If you're ever wondering why you cannot open your trunk all of a sudden, you might want to check this quick button. So walk into your car, into your BMW, and pop this open right here. And right here, you have this button. Mine was in the locked position, and I almost replaced the actuator trunk lock because I had a detailer come out and clean out my car. And what do you know? He accidentally switched it over to the lock position, and I thought my actuator went out. So I went into the back of the trunk and I started disassembling. And luckily, I ended up finding a video that shows this here, and what do you know? It was exactly what happened on mine. And I'm making the same video here just for people to be aware that sometimes instead of spending $200 for a trunk actuator, just switch it back to the open position and it should pop right up. All right, guys. Hope you liked and it helped. If it did, make sure to subscribe.